My husband, we're going to the Asian store. Let's go, my love. Buying pesos. The feast. hindi na maka ano ng pronunciation sa Inday. We buy the pesos. My husband, my very handsome husband.
Beautiful out today.
Yeah. And look at
my beautiful hottie wife.
my husband, look at your beautiful wife wearing. Very thick. Love you, my husband. Oh. Here is Filipino store, Asian store. Oh, still have a lot. Hi, Dai. Rose, come here, my love. Filipino store. Oh, what's in here?
It's our last day.
Yeah, that's what Sheila told me.
30% off for our day.
Okay. We should buy this, my love. Banana leaves. I will use some sticky rice, okay? Come here. Here you go, my love. This is the noodles that I wanted. Kakain si husband ng pancit canton. This one better than the noodles that we bought in the Walmart. So kakain si husband ng noodles. Pinoy store na talaga. Pinoy na pang husband ko. Bili tayo ng maraming noodles. Okay, dadalhin din niya to sa work. So, that's good. Yeah, my love. Better this one, yeah? Ang dami nang nabili namin na noodles. My husband, he likes to eat stir-fry noodles.
No, not this again.
Not this way? Wrong? Wrong way, my love.
No, the signal light's not working.
Who? My husband is a Filipino now. He eat Filipino food. So yeah, he is a Filipino now. Daming noodles behind Filipino food. Noodles.
Mexican restaurant El Tequila.
Yeah, that's where my birthday dinner there. Thankful to my husband. Enjoying the food there and Mexican food. El Tequila. Thank you, my love. And the Walmart at the side. And we're gonna go to the Home Depot. My husband gonna buy some rubbish bin bag. It's a good weather today. Woohoo!
Oh God, it's been beautiful out today.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
My husband did the tire that side. He changed his tire there.
I
And
should
then,
stop and talk to him.
yeah.
That's why my light is on.
Give time to them, Ella, please. After this, go there, huh? You're gonna go there? No?
Not today.
Not
I
today?
need to go there, but not now. It's gonna cost me probably another $200.
You have to pay again for the church. And here is the Costco.
Here's Home Depot.
Costco here for wholesale. And here is the Home Depot. And look at my husband there, my very handsome husband. Yay!
I'll park back here.
Welcome to the Home Depot. Home Depot. Dito na tayo sa loob ng Home Depot at ito yung nakita ko agad, yung Christmas tree. OMG, I can't wait na meron na akong decoration na Christmas tree sa bahay, guys. Ito na yung gustong kong gagawin, na makapag-decorate ako sa sarili ko sa bahay namin ng aking hubby. Oh my OMG. Bibili kami, guys, nito pagka nakalipat na kami sa bahay. Kasi ngayon, nakatira pa kami sa apartment. Sobrang maliit. Wala talagang space. Lagayan ng Christmas tree. Kaya pagka nalipat na kami sa bahay, meron na kaming Christmas tree decoration. Our first Christmas together ni hubby dito sa US, guys. Ang saya ko, guys. Magawa ko na talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Lalo na pag may trabaho na ako, mabibili ko na yung gusto kong bilhin. OMG, I can't wait talaga. Na-experience ko na talaga yung amin lang talaga ni hubby. Kung anong gagawin namin. So yun, guys, nag-voice over tayo kasi nga may music. So, alam mo naman, masipa tayo ni Lolo. So, ito yung makikita dito sa Home Depot. Yan, lahat ng mga gamit ng bahay nandito. Yan, guys. Tapos, pumunta kami dito. Ang binili namin is yung bag lang naman ng rubbish bin. So, yun, nandyan pala. Hindi ko alam. Yan pala yung rubbish bin, oh. Yung yellow na yan. Hindi ko tiningnan. Libat na yata ako eh. So, yun, guys. Voice over tayo, ha. Pasensya na, guys. Enjoy watching na lang kayo, guys. Yan si hubby. Kumuha na siya ng rubbish bin bag na na makapal. Kasi magtatapon si hubby ng mga mga gamit na hindi na niya ginagamit. Yung sa laundry washing machine and dryer, guys. Hindi ko pala naipakita, guys. Na-excite ako. Excited ako kasi plan namin bumili ng dryer at saka washer para sa bahay namin, guys. Kasi bumili kami ng bahay, hindi naman kinuha naman yung dryer at saka washer. Sobrang mahal pa naman ng bahay. Tapos ang dryer at washer bilhin mahal din, guys. OMG. So yun, tumingin kami at hindi ko na na-videohan kasi na-excite ako. Tapos yun na nga, dito na tayo sa area ng mga plywood. Yeah, my husband.
Home Depot.
So it's a big Home Depot, huh? Oh, their garden center.
We'll be there in the spring.
Home Depot. Bye-bye. I'll have to go to work first. It's a good weather today.
There's my RV.
My love, I never see the RV. Can you bring me there?
Not today.
How far is that RV?
About 20 miles or so.
What? How long? How many hours is that? An
Probably
hour?
About half an hour.
Half an
40
hour.
minutes.
Oh, look at that, the bird. Big one.
Yeah, we should go see it next
Yeah.
week. Not this weekend. I won't have enough time this weekend. But
Yeah.
next weekend.
Saturday we go, okay?
Oh,
So I can
that'd be good.
I can see the
I can get it in our
RV.
new house. We can bring it home. I can work on it at home.
The RV?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, bring back the bed mattress there, put nicely so people will buy.
Oh,
People will buy your RV. You wanna sell your RV, right?
Yeah, they never called me back.
Because you never put everything back in the RV.
Yeah, I'll put it all back together.
Yeah, that's why people didn't buy it, because lots of empty.
Needs a lot of work.
Okay.
Need to put it back together.
Mm.
Put it back together, we'll keep it. Use it ourselves. Why not?
Ooh, what a hot weather today.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting sweaty now.
Mm-hmm. Go home and clean the garage.
Garage closed. Yeah, your phone?
My phone? What?
You got your phone?
Yeah. It's
I
here.
want you to Google
What?
Crowing landfill.
Hello guys! Welcome sa channel namin again ng aking husband, Rowena and Rick. So, for today's video guys, pakita ko lang yung mga napamili namin sa Asian store. Ang tawag ng store is Merciful International Market. So, last din nila today guys. Nag 30% discount sila. So, yun, namili kami ng marami. Kasi yan lang yung pinakamalapit na Asian store. Pag nag-close na sila today, so, makabili kami sa Asian store. Next time, pag wala na kaming stock na Asian food, is doon sa lugar ng St. Cloud, and 1 oras yung biyahe. So, di ba ang layo? So, yun. Pakita ko lang guys mga napamili namin kasi kumakain naman si husband ko ng noodles. Hindi naman siya choosy. So, happy ako guys. Yan. Kain po siya nito oh. Pancit Canton. Hindi naman everyday ako nagluluto guys. Ano lang kapag lumalabas kami at wala nang oras magluto. Ito ang pinaka madali ang maluto. Itong Pancit Canton. So, ang ginawa ko nito guys is, pakuluan ko siya in a half cook lang. Tapos, mag-stir fry ako ng cabbage at carrot at saka mga gulay pang iba. I-stir fry ko yun. Tapos, pag naluto na, then, i-add ko yung noodles. I-mix ko na. Para na siyang ano ba? Parang bihon, ganun. So, ganito lang na noodles ang gamit ko. Kasi guys, wala pong bihon dito sa Walmart, yung Pinoy store, iba talaga. So, namili na kami. Ito, alam ko ibang klaseng bihon to, pero wala na akong magawa kasi last na lang tong bihon. My husband, last na lang tong bihon na natira doon sa store. Tapos, nakabili din ako ng mamasitas, sweetie, kasi magluluto ako ng kare-kare, beef kare-kare. Ipatikin ko kay husband, kakain naman siya. So, meron na, ang bibilin ko na lang na ingredient is beef at saka gulay. So, yan. At merong sinigang, para ready na po ito sa malamig na panahon, sa snow. So, yun, kailangan kong humigop ng sabaw, magluto ng sabaw kami ng aking husband para hindi kami lamigin. At meron din akong munggo. Yan. O diba? May pressure cooker kami, so madali lang tong ma-soak yung munggo. At nagtry din si husband ng Century chili corn tuna. Bumili siya doon sa Asian store. Syempre yung mga sardinas, kasi maganda to, iluto din siya sa cabbage na may sabaw. O, diba? Higit na. Ito, sardines ligo at saka 5-5. Ayan. Ito. Hindi pa to na-try ni hubby ang sardines. So, iwan ko lang kung magustuhan niya ito. Sarap din to sa bread. Ito, free na to siya guys. Chili powder. At saka yung oregano. Oregano, leaves. At ito nga, ang daming noodles na nabili ko, diba? Yan, noodles. Ito, pancit canton. Yan. Tapos, ito naman ay barbecue sauce, mamasitas. So, magbibake ako ng salmon. Imamarinate ko siya nito. Barbecue sauce. Para may lasa naman iba. Tapos, ito para sa sabaw. Oh, ano pala siya? Peri-peri salt. Nandos. Paper po siya. Salt na pala to. Okay. Okay pa din. Kung may sabaw, kung may luto kami sabaw, diba? Ito yung i-sprinkle last. At ito din ang fish sauce. Diba? Pangpalasa din yan. So, yan. Oh, kasi wala na silang chicken stock doon. At saka ano pa? Sriracha. So, nag 30% siya, guys. Ito naman ay ay crab. Ano siya? Crab paste. So, mag-google ako, guys, paano ko to siya gagamitin. At itong Nestle cream. Ayan. Dalawa siya. Ayan. Hindi pa na nag-grab si husband ng sweet corn. Magluto sana ako ng maha. At itong glutinous rice. Ayan. Ready ko lang siya, guys. Meron na akong coconut milk. Baka magluto ng dessert na parang tawag nito? Benignit ba yun? Tawag sa Bisaya, ano ba sa Tagalog? Bilo-bilo. Yun. So, naready ko lang siya, guys. At, ano pa ba? Naready ko siya sa malamig na panahon, guys. Talagang higop na sabaw. Higop ng sabaw. Yung mainit-init pa talaga. So, yun lang, guys, ang nabili namin ng aking husband. Super thankful ako ng aking husband dahil wala talagang no sa kanya. Ayan. May stock na kami maraming pagkain. Kakain naman si husband. So, diba? Pungga na yan, guys. Diba? Sobrang thankful talaga kay hubby. Uy, sobrang bait niya, uy. Ang pagkain ba? Wala talagang problema. Walang no sa kanya. As in, tara na, bilhin na tayo kasi nag 30% discount. Support na rin sa friend namin, guys, kasi nandun siya sa wedding namin, o diba? Nag-support din siya sa wedding namin. Oh, support din kami sa kanya. Yun lang, guys, ang video natin. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!